Welcome to Bedtime.
At 5 o'clock, Mom starts her day. She stretches wide in a peaceful way. At 6 o'clock, I wake and yawn. I stretch my arms and greet the dawn. At 6:10 sharp, I brush so well. I clean each tooth and rinse and tell. At 6:20, my bed gets neat. I fold my blanket, tuck the sheet. At 6:30, splash on my face. I scrub up and smile at my own pace. At 6:40, clothes go on, I zip and button. Now I'm strong. At 6:50, I sit to eat. With fruits and toast, my meal's complete. 7 sharp, I help around. I water plants and clean the ground. At 7:10, I pack with care. Books and lunch go right in there. At 7:20, I tie each lace. Left end in perfect place as 7:30, I wave goodbye with hugs and love. I step outside. And I outside at flirty the teachers. Let's count and learn one's ways. At 12:30, lunch is here. Lunch, we were having new ways. I rest my head. I dream of stars while in my bed. At 6 o'clock, I wash once more. With bubbly soap from sink to floor. 6:30, I run and slide. I swing and laugh with joy and cry. At 7 sharp, I eat with care. With Mom and love to share. At 8 o'clock, I hug my bear. I close my eyes with bedtime care.